Selecting AutoNet, Sewage, and the menu for the application will appear. You can select the option Appliances from the AutoNet menu. When all appliances windows appear, the user selects the type of appliance which will be placed at the specific point. The appliances are placed as referred earlier for the water supply application. If the appliances are put on the architectural design, you can click at the Touch Points Only field. All the known CAD commands can be executed for the appliances. For faster drawing, you can mirror the appliances on the next room. It is also here recommended to design with elevation equals to 0 meters. The rest appliances will be placed using the same commands. Select Connect Appliances with Floor Siphon command, select the appliances and press Enter. Automatically the pipes are placed in the center of the siphon. The same procedure can be done manually. Select pipe and connect the appliance with node snap to the center of the siphon. For the siphon, select Center Snap. At last connect the center of the siphon with the node, using center and node snap respectively. Draw the vertical pipes to connect the levels. The WC will be connected directly to the vertical pipe. Always the vertical pipe must be connected with perpendicular snap. The siphon will be connected with endpoint snap to the vertical pipe. The main pipe that will lead to the well is now being drawn. The main pipe is connected with the vertical pipes. Place the well on the drawing. The square well is placed on the drawing for representation purposes. It will not be recognized by the computer application. We can easily draw the whole network using the same procedure. We have placed another main pipe that lead to another well. That pipe is now connected with the network on the left side of the hotel as shown previously. In the whole network, we have drawn 3 pipes that lead to the same well. The network of the rooms can be copied on the second floor using the copy network of level command. At last the discharger will be placed on the end of the network. The program can also calculate the rainwater network. First of all, select rainwater pipe type. Insert rainfall surface command. Select the points of the surface and press enter. In the window that will appear, we can select the type of the surface according to DIN 1986 and EN 12056-3. Here we select a roof with inclination less than 15 degrees. With the same command, we can insert the other surfaces. If we have a circular area, we can draw a polyline before the definition of the surface. Here we will draw a polyline with the arc. On the rainfall surface area, elect the polyline, and the polyline is converted to surface. Now, we can draw the rainwater network. Place the gutters inside the spaces. Then place the vertical pipe that will lead on the first floor. Connect the gutter with node snap to the vertical pipe, using perpendicular snap. As we can see, the pipes are drawn green, so we can identify them. We can repeat the same procedure with the other gutters of the level. In the third floor, we will place some more gutters. We will connect some of them with the vertical pipes that we have created, and the last one with a vertical pipe that will be needed only for the third floor. At last, we can place the discharge point. With the same logic, we can finish the rainwater network. As we can see, we have connected the right network with vertical pipes that ended on the same pipe. The other gutters were connected with a vertical pipe that connects only that one. We have placed discharge points for every gutter. Now the network is finished and we can run the network recognition command to proceed on the calculations. The first thing we have to do is to update from the drawing. General data refer to titles and headings related to the project identity. In the Network Options tab, we can change some basic parameters like water temperature, frequency factor, pipe types, main desirable slope, etc. Select the third tab to access more parameters for that calculation method. Many parameters can be changed with the drop-down menus and the auxiliary tables. The sewage network calculation sheet constitutes the calculations core of the sewage application. Each row of this sheet corresponds to a different part of the sewage network, while each column refers to the data that will be filled in or will result automatically during the completion process. The sheet is automatically filled in from the drawing. We can see the calculations for the pipe size, sewage velocity, etc. In the sealed pit calculation window, as soon as the user gives several information, the program calculates the absorptive pit area fab. In this window, the user can calculate and select the type of the septic tank. The user must fill in parameters like the daily sewage quantity per person, the tank type, the sludge per person, the minimum time of sludge evacuation, etc. The absorptive cesspit area can be calculated. Depending on the sewage and the unevenness or uniform flow, the user selects the type of the lift station. If there is a sewage lift pump calculation, in this window, the user selects its type. The bill of materials cost estimation results regarding the specific project are presented. The window, Technical Description, supports the creation of the project technical description, enabling the user to select among various technical description prototypes and text editing styles. After all these calculations, he can select the Printout Contents from the File tab. We can link the printouts to Word, RTF, or PDF. When the calculations in the program Adapt are completed, you can store the project. You can refer to the drawing program Fine and select Update Plan Views. With this option, the calculations regarding the piping are transferred to the plan view. If this action was already carried out earlier, the program will ask if the user wants to delete the previous update and replace it with the new one. The whole network can be converted to 3D. The dimensions are based on the calculations. Select axonometric diagram and the diagram will be automatically created. The diagram can be converted to 3D and updated with the network segments and receptor values. The vertical chart is created automatically with the use of Fine, provided that the network was designed by this program.